Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can disable the mark as read feature on yahoomail.com. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Yahoo Mail, access your inbox. So guys, let's assume for example you'd like to turn off that feature that whenever you open an email, a new email in your inbox, it will be automatically marked as read. So for example, let me click into that one and go back to my inbox, and there you go. As you can see, it will be automatically marked as read. Now, did you know that it is possible to turn off that feature at all? So that if you click into a new mail, it will stay in the unread status. There are people who use that. I don't know why, but it is possible to do that, guys. So let me show you how to do it. Head over to your inbox settings by clicking on that gear icon in the top right. Click into more settings here at the bottom. And next, click into viewing email here to the left. And last but not least, here under mark as read interval, switch from immediately, which is the default interval, to never. And that is going to keep even your opened email as unread forever, unless you changed it, of course, and switch back to immediately or after 2 or 5 seconds interval. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.